Okay, we are here again. I see some more honeys here. I want to make sure and show you all the kind of harvest we're getting. But of course, you know, I'm getting a lot of problem with the bees. They want to sting me every chance they get. But this is Africanized bees, you know. Let me just put on our gloves here. And certain time, these Africanized bees, they doesn't want to be cooperative. Okay, so look at this here. The next box, as you notice, I have the other box open up there. And this is the honeys that are sealed down inside. Real honey, man, real honey. It have more honey in this colony that is sealed than the other one. See, look at that. This frame just fall down and some of the honey spilling, so I had to move a little fast so that the bees wouldn't get in a rubbing mood now. Right? I'm trying to film this here for you, but them bees and them want to act up, you know. So bear with me, eh? You see, we're getting nice honey, man. Look at down inside it. See? Once you manage the bees good, they'll perform good, you know. So let me just put in back this honey is there for them. This is their food stores to go through the rainy period. And we'll have to do this one here now, and we'll do this one. And then we'll go up the line. Okay? So bear with me again. TTFN for now.